What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about mirror caps for the 2015 and up Mustang. So in my previous video about what's happening, I talked about some changes that I'm going to make to my 2016 Mustang GT. One of those changes is the mirror caps. I'm going to either replace them with a black cap or have them painted. So I searched online to try to find out how to remove them, and about the only method that I could find was to basically squeeze and pull. I didn't really want to do that because I didn't want to break anything. So after doing a little bit more research, I found out how to remove the actual mirror and then get in that way. And my method is, or this method is not as simple as just grabbing and pulling, but I think it may save, breaking any parts or any tabs or anything like that. So in this video, I'll cover the removal and installation and show you a couple things, like the tabs and all that stuff along the way. So let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this mirror out, the mirror itself. What you want to do, there's some tabs in here which I'll show you, is you'll want to pry with a flathead screwdriver, get in there best you can. Try to lift those tabs. Now, if you can see this, hopefully, you got a tab here, tab here, tab here, 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 and here. Now what I did was reached in and released this one, and this one. And once I did that, I was able to pry the mirror towards the car and get it to pop out. Now the next thing we need to do is remove the Torx bit screws. There's two of them. Now this piece has tabs, which I will show you those as well. And there are two here, and I believe here and here. So we'll reach in and pry a little bit on the tab to release it. Same over here. On this piece, these are the tabs I'm talking about. There's two here, one here, actually one here, and two here. These you have to pry down on the top and pry up on the bottom. It's kind of a pain, but just work with it and you'll get it. So now that we have that off, you'll see there's three tabs at the top. There's one here, and one over here. I'll just reach in there with a screwdriver and pry down on the little catches, and the cover should pop off. And looking at the cover itself, these are the three tabs at the top. You got a couple on the bottom, and you've got this one here. Once I get these loose, I can kind of lift it and rotate it a little bit, as you saw, and it'll come right off. These little hooks here, I believe this is for wiring, to hold wiring in there, possibly. I'm not sure. Mine doesn't have any wiring. This is a base model performance package, so it doesn't have any wiring other than the window motor. So these tabs, they're not used for anything. So installation is reverse of removal. Just want to set this on there. Let's get it lined up. Check your alignment in here with your tabs. basically just push it on. Just check out your tabs inside. Make sure they're catching. Push this one's not. There we go. That one's on. That one's on. I'm going to take this piece, get everything lined up. Before you put the screws in, make sure all your tabs click in. You basically just push that together. Make sure your bottom plastic, slides in where it's supposed to. It sits in a little groove on this part. You take and reinstall your torque split screws. And for the mirror itself, you just want to line it up around this piece here. Best you can. This metal tab here just kind of slides in here. I don't really know what it does. Maybe it holds tension. I'm not sure. So just try to line it up on that circular piece. Push it in. And you can look in the side just to make sure these tabs are on, which they are. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it informative. Definitely made me feel a lot better about removing the caps. I didn't really want to do the squeeze and pull method, so this one, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for the notifications. Any comments, leave them down below. We'll see you next time.